Hi, so this is part one of my video. This is the scaling lab. I chose to do mine of a baseball because I'm on the baseball team, and honestly, baseball is just my favorite thing out there. So I found the diameter of a baseball was 7.4 centimeters. So the way that I set up my word question was X or unknown. So like this scale of what the diameter of Jupiter would be over the diameter of a baseball equals the true diameter of Jupiter over the true diameter of Earth. So I had that on here. It's on the top. And so under that, to put it into numbers, I had x over 7.4 centimeters equals 142,984 kilometers over 12,756 kilometers. I concluded that that came out to, like, once I did 7.4 centimeters times the diameter of Jupiter, and then divided that by the diameter of Earth, I got 82.947. And so I ended up rounding that up because it would have been 82.95. So it obviously would have been closer to 83 than to 81. I was honestly almost right there anyways. So the scaled size of Jupiter compared to a baseball would be 83 centimeters. So here's a baseball. It would be about 11 times bigger than a baseball. So yeah, pretty cool stuff.